Hello and welcome to my channel, where I talk about the latest trends and developments in the world of finance and economics. Today, I want to talk about a company that you may not have heard of, but that has a huge influence on the global economy. It's called BlackRock, and it's the world's largest asset manager, with more than $9 trillion under management. That's more than the GDP of Japan, Germany, and France combined. But what exactly does BlackRock do, and why does it matter? How does it affect your life, whether you're an investor, a consumer, or a citizen? And what are the challenges and opportunities that BlackRock faces in the future? These are some of the questions that I will try to answer in this video, so stay tuned till the end. What is BlackRock? BlackRock was founded in 1988 by Larry Fink and 7 other partners as a bond investment firm. Since then, it has grown into a diversified financial giant that offers a wide range of products and services to clients around the world. These include investment management. BlackRock manages money for institutional and individual investors, such as pension funds, endowments, foundations, sovereign wealth funds, banks, insurance companies, corporations, and households. It offers various types of funds and portfolios that invest in different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, real estate, private equity, and alternative investments. It also provides customized solutions for specific needs and goals of its clients. Investment advisory. BlackRock advises clients on how to allocate their assets, how to manage their risks, and how to achieve their financial objectives. It also provides research and analysis on various markets and sectors, as well as tools and platforms that help clients make informed decisions. Technology. BlackRock is known for its innovative use of technology in the financial industry. It has developed its own proprietary software system called Aladdin, which stands for Asset Liability and Debt and Derivative Investment Network. Aladdin is used by BlackRock internally to manage its own operations and investments, as well as by external clients who pay a fee to access its data and analytics. Aladdin helps users monitor and measure their exposure to various risks, such as market risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, operational risk, and environmental risk. It also helps users optimize their performance and efficiency by providing insights and recommendations. Sustainability. BlackRock is committed to advancing sustainability in its business practices and in its investments. It believes that climate change is one of the most significant risks facing the world today, and that investors have a responsibility to address it. It has pledged to align its portfolio with the goal of net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050 or sooner. It has also launched several initiatives to promote environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors in its investment process, such as integrating ESG data into Aladdin, creating ESG-focused funds and indices, engaging with companies on ESG issues, and voting on shareholder resolutions related to sustainability. Why does BlackRock matter? BlackRock matters because it has a lot of power and influence over the global economy. Here are some of the reasons why. Size. As I mentioned earlier, BlackRock has more than $9 trillion under management. That means it owns or controls a large share of many companies around the world. For example, according to a report by Bloomberg in 2020, BlackRock was the largest shareholder in 1 out of every 5 companies in the S&P 500 index. It was also the largest shareholder in 1 out of every 10 companies in Europe's Stoxx 600 index, and it was among the top 3 shareholders in 90% of the world's 50 largest corporations. Scope. BlackRock not only invests in different asset classes, but also in different regions and markets. It has a presence in over 70 offices in more than 30 countries. It manages assets for clients in over 100 countries. And it invests in both developed and emerging markets. This gives it a broad perspective and access to information that other investors may not have. Influence. BlackRock wields immense financial power and influence, maintaining close ties with governments and regulators worldwide. It often provides counsel on economic policies and financial reforms. Notable instances include its role during the 2008 and 2009 global financial crisis, assisting the U.S. government with troubled institutions like AIG, Bear Stearns, and Freddie Mac. It also aided the UK and Irish governments during banking sector restructurings. During the European debt crisis in 2011 to 2012, BlackRock worked with the European Central Bank on the Outright Monetary Transactions Program and collaborated with Greece and Spain for banking and asset valuation. In 2020 to 2021, it assisted the U.S. Federal Reserve, the Canadian government, and the French government in managing emergency programs and loans. What are the challenges and opportunities for BlackRock? BlackRock faces both challenges and opportunities in the future. Here are some of them. Competition. BlackRock is not the only player in the asset management industry. It faces competition from other large firms such as Vanguard, State Street, Fidelity, and JP Morgan Chase. It also faces competition from new entrants such as fintech startups, robo-advisors, and crypto platforms. These competitors may offer lower fees, better returns, or more innovation than BlackRock. BlackRock will have to keep up with the changing needs and preferences of its clients and adapt to the evolving market conditions. Regulation. BlackRock, though not a bank, is often deemed too big to fail. Its potential collapse or systemic risk could harm the global economy, inviting increased scrutiny and regulation. For instance, in 2014, the Financial Stability Board labeled BlackRock a systemically important financial institution, subjecting it to heightened oversight. In 2020, the U.S. House of Representatives scrutinized large asset managers, including BlackRock, regarding their role in the COVID-19 crisis and its impact on financial stability. In 2021, the European Commission initiated a public consultation on regulating non-bank entities like asset managers, aiming to mitigate systemic risks and promote economic growth. Reputation. BlackRock, a financial giant, carries a dual role as a social actor, demanding ethical and responsible conduct in business and investments. It must harmonize its fiduciary duty to clients with societal responsibilities, navigating a complex web of stakeholders, shareholders, employees, customers, regulators, media, activists, and NGOs. Managing reputation and brand image in a dynamic environment is paramount. Notably, in 2019, it faced environmental criticism for substantial investments in fossil fuels and conflicts of interest advising governments on climate policy. In 2020, it drew human rights concerns for investments linked to alleged violations in China. In 2021, activist investors and some employees challenged its ESG commitment enforcement. BlackRock is a powerful and influential company that plays a key role in the global economy. It has many strengths and opportunities, but also many challenges and risks. It has to navigate a complex and uncertain environment, where it faces high expectations and responsibilities from various stakeholders. One of these stakeholders is Russia, which is currently involved in a military conflict with Ukraine over Crimea and Donbass. This conflict has implications for the global economy and for BlackRock's investments. In fact, according to a video by Russian President Vladimir Putin, he claims that some of the Western sanctions imposed on Russia are driven by men in dark suits who rule the U.S. behind the scenes. He implies that he is referring to BlackRock and other large asset managers who have a lot of influence over the U.S. government and the global economy. He suggests that these men in dark suits are not interested in peace and stability, but rather in profit and domination. This is a very serious and provocative statement by Putin, and it raises many questions about the role and responsibility of BlackRock and other financial actors in the world. How do they affect the geopolitical situation and the security of nations? How do they balance their economic interests with their ethical values? How do they deal with the potential backlash and consequences of their actions? So guys, that's it for today. What you think about BlackRock's role in the global economy in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay alert with upcoming updated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you for diving into the world of wealth and finance with us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates on the richest people, companies, and financial trends. See you in the next episode.